going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we have to go over Dogecoin today. So looking at the Dogecoin chart, look, we did exactly what I said we were going to do. We're going to trickle back down to this trend line here. We're still consolidating, so we're probably going to go back up and keep trading between this trend here. So 40 cents is definitely predicted to be a price target with Doge within the next week or so. So we're definitely going to get right back up to 40 cents and then right back up to 50 cents after we do that. So we definitely have a lot going on here with Doge. Still inside of our long-term consolidation. We've been consolidating for 2 weeks now. I mean, Dogecoin has just been trading sideways. Like when you look at it from a more broad perspective, you can see that this is really true right here. So yeah, you can just see Dogecoin has just been trading sideways for the longest time. And I don't really want to do too much on the technicals right now. What we really want to talk about is the fundamentals and stuff that's happening with Dogecoin. So there's a lot of FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt with Dogecoin. So one thing I really want to talk about is right here. Why is Dogecoin going down? Literally the most viewed thing on Google right now is why is Dogecoin going down? Literally, Dogecoin is only going down because of the FUD. It's only going down because of the FUD and because Bitcoin continues to drop. Now, not the FUD around Dogecoin, but relatively the FUD around Bitcoin is the real reason why we're going down, because there's so much FUD around Bitcoin. I mean, and there is around Dogecoin too, but look at this. Elizabeth Warren says Bitcoin, Dogecoin have significant problems that need to be confronted head on. She said this a few days ago, so it's not something that just now happened, but it's still happening. Like, people are still talking about it. I mean, this article is just now released yesterday, so people are literally talking about it every single day about how Elizabeth Warren wants, to regulate all these cryptos a little bit more. And really, all these governments, the banks, all of them, hedge funds, everything, they all want people to sell out of crypto. They all want people to sell out of Dogecoin so they can buy it at a lower price. They're trying to make the price go down artificially so then they can get in on a lower price, because they know Bitcoin is about to go to the moon and they know Dogecoin is about to go to the moon. So that's why they keep pushing this price down. But honestly, there's way more FUD way beyond that, right? So look at this. This is more FUD right here. Cryptocurrency price predictions. And they're pretty much predicting a low number for every single crypto. They're predicting that Cardano needs to hold $1.39 or else it'll continue to go down, but Cardano's at $1.50. So I don't even know why they're talking about $1.39. But yeah, they're just spreading so much FUD. It's so much false information about cryptos in general. So that's why I really would not listen to any of the FUD, because they're talking about, look over here, they're talking about Cardano price. Cardano needs to hold $1.39 or risk a dramatic decline. Cardano can hold 39 cents so easily. It's at $1.50. It's going to continue to go up, but they're just spreading FUD over here. Dogecoin price may fall 40%. So yeah, they're still spreading FUD here. They say Dogecoin will fall 40%. So still more FUD going on. Go down here, you see more FUD for VeChain. I mean, so much FUD. And then over here, Elon Musk declares new space race between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. So that's good news that we actually have a space race between Bitcoin and Dogecoin. And right there, that's the little picture that he's been putting on his Twitter page. But yeah, the race to send the first cryptocurrency to space has begun. Crypto exchange BitMEX will mint a one-of-a-kind physical currency, which will contain a Bitcoin at an address yet to be revealed. The coin will be brought to the moon through Astrobotic Technology, a Pennsylvania-based space robotics. So yeah, they're literally going to bring a Bitcoin to the moon, just like Elon Musk said he's bringing Dogecoin to the moon. So that's some good news right there, right? We have more stuff. So our next good news, remember the El Salvador, we have to keep talking about this. El Salvador's Bitcoin, now they're accepting Bitcoin as a legal tender. They literally have a Bitcoin beach. Literally, El Salvador has a Bitcoin beach. So that's really big right there. So since after El Salvador's Congress made the Bitcoin legal tender, this week eyes turned to this rural fishing village on the Pacific coast. Known to its surfers for its pounding waves, El Zonte has had the cryptocurrency in its economy for the past year. Some 500 fishing and farming families use Bitcoin to buy groceries and pay utilities, something the government envisions for the country at large. So not only is this going to happen inside El Salvador, this is also going to happen all over. This is going to happen in the United States. It's going to happen everywhere. People are just going to start accepting it. So it says Bitcoin already was legal to use in El Salvador, but its acceptance was voluntary. So the legislation passed late Tuesday now requires all businesses, except those without the technology, to accept payment in Bitcoin. So if they have technology and they have like they have like a cash register, all that, and then they can accept Bitcoin. That's what they're saying. So that's actually really big. That's some really good news right there. So supporters of the financial change point to it as a demonstration case for how digital currency could help in a country where 70% of the people don't have bank accounts. So that's a really big statement there. In a country where 70% of people don't have bank accounts, I mean, yeah, Bitcoin will help because it's free to get a Bitcoin wallet. But some banks you have to pay to get a bank account. You have to have a certain amount of money, but you can just open up a Robinhood account right now and buy Bitcoin. No money required. So this is really good news right here. We have El Salvador is really helping his people out with this. It's really helping people out. So I'm definitely happy that this is happening. So another thing, El Salvador has used the US dollar as its official currency since 2001. A strike said that adopting Bitcoin as a legal tender will help reduce its dependence on the decisions of a foreign central bank. So now they really don't have to depend on the US dollar. Now they can just, depend on Bitcoin. That's really cool right there. Martinez said El Zonte residents did not have bank accounts, had no access to credit, and were forced to handle all transactions in cash. So now they can invest and now they can build wealth. And now there's also Bitcoin machines all throughout El Salvador. And there's also been Bitcoin machines inside El Salvador. So that's some really good news right there. So look over here. El Salvador's Bitcoin embrace a cold shoulder to the US. So they're spreading more FUD right here. So remember, more FUD is being spread. So yeah, for one small Salvadorian beach town, crypto is already part of daily life. That's what we just now talked about. The 500 people that are 500 families that use it every day inside of the village. So there are more than 50 establishments, from mobile phone minute stands to vegetable and fruit vendors that allow cryptos. So that is huge. Actual vendors are using cryptos. That's huge right there. So now the rest of the country is getting in on El Zonte's Bitcoin experiment. So Bukele, who was elected in 2019, he said has since festooned his Twitter account. That's a weird word, festooned his Twitter account in crypto branding. That is a really weird word, so we're gonna have to go to Google and search for that just to see what it is. So festoon is adorn a place with ribbons, garlands, and decorations. Pretty much something that's adorned. Okay, cool. So his Twitter profile now features a photo of him with Bitcoin laser eyes. So yeah, he has the Doge, the Bitcoin laser eyes. Remember, the Doge laser eyes are the red laser eyes, and he's using. He seems like a pretty cool dude. He's a younger dude, and he's the president of El Salvador. So that is actually pretty cool that this is going on out there. So look over here. There's so much stuff going on with El Salvador. BlockFi. Now you can use El Salvador and BlockFi. This is just amazing that Bitcoin is now being accepted worldwide, and it's amazing that he's being the leader of this. He's literally pushing for this, and it's kind of crazy because I really feel like he may be the youngest leader of a country inside the whole world. I've never seen a president looks this young. I mean, look at this dude. He looks like he's 20 years old, maybe 30. I want to actually look up how old he is. So let's actually look at that up. How old is El Salvador president? Yeah, he looks pretty young. So let's see how old he is. 39 years old. All right, that's really young for a president. I've never seen that. I just never seen that before. A 39-year-old president. And look at what you get when you make a 39-year-old president. You get stuff like Bitcoin. He's an innovator. He's doing things that he knows will benefit the generation leading on. So that's only something that someone who is currently all the way into the generation will know. Joe Biden, he's on. I'm not saying nothing bad about Joe Biden, but he's on his last leg right now. Joe Biden looks like he has problems walking, has problems speaking sometimes. He seems like he's about to fall asleep sometimes. So I mean, he's really old, so that has something to do with our nation, and our nation would definitely benefit from, a president that's more, more, I don't know how to say it without being insulting, but a president that's more in tune with reality. Not saying Joe Biden is not more in tune with reality, but honestly, we need a president that understands the generation and understands what it means to lead. And I'm not saying that he doesn't understand, but yeah, let's get off of the politics here. So much is going on with, the whole world, politics, just crazy stuff going on left and right. So no one really knows where we are going with this. So El Salvador's Bitcoin push, what does it mean for cryptocurrency? It's actually really good for crypto. So El Salvador law means Bitcoin will have the equal footing with the dollar, which became its official currency 20 years ago. So yeah, the US dollar was the official currency of El Salvador, and now it's Bitcoin. So that's definitely going to help out El Salvador a lot, and it's definitely going to help out Dogecoin a lot because Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. So that's really what I'm getting at here. Dogecoin follows Bitcoin. Everything follows Bitcoin. So as long as Bitcoin does good, we all do good. But yeah, 41 billion in market cap right now with Dogecoin, still doing good. I mean, Dogecoin is still trading sideways, still consolidating. Not a big deal. I mean, the people who have diamond hands and who are holding are going to be the ones that benefit from this downtrend the most. And I'm still holding because I'm not about to sell it at a lower price. You know, it's stupid to buy high and sell low. That's very, very stupid. And yeah, that's just very stupid. I'm not going to do that. All right, so let's keep going over what we have. So let's go over here to El Salvador's thing. A question of timing. Let's read this. It says, but not everyone is celebrating ahead of a meeting between the International Monetary Fund and Bukele on Thursday. The organization spokesperson said that the option of Bitcoin raises a number of macroeconomic, financial, and legal issues that require very careful analysis. So El Salvador is seeking an almost $1 billion lifeline from there. So they're saying that there is issues with this, like just like how they had the people in China that were arrested for money laundering. They're saying that it's easy to do illegal things with Bitcoin. I mean, it's easy to do illegal things with dollars. I mean, I could walk down the street and then buy something I should not buy with the US dollar, and no one would ever know because it's not online. But let's say I did the same thing with Bitcoin, they'd be able to find out just like that, because everything you do is on the blockchain. You make a purchase, it's on the blockchain. You trade something, like you transfer to another wallet, it's on the blockchain. Everything's on the blockchain. So really, you're less likely to get away with an illegal crime with Bitcoin than with US dollar. Because with the US dollar, like, I mean, I could be buying something illegal right now and you would not know it because cash can't be traced. You know, when you're not doing electronic transfers, cash cannot be traced. So Bitcoin is better than, the US dollar. And furthermore, Dogecoin is better. Like that's the real thing. But like Dogecoin follows Bitcoin, but there's still more FUD going on. Look, move over AMC and Dogecoin. The stock could be much bigger. So people are still spreading FUD. They're still trying to get people to sell out so then they can buy in at a lower price. So it's pretty messed up what people are doing and what the hedge funds and everyone are doing. But what I like to do, I like to follow the whales, right? When I see whales like this who purchased 3 days ago, this whale literally purchased $1.1 billion of Dogecoin 3 days ago and is still holding. I mean, if he can hold $1.3 billion worth of Dogecoin for 3 days and not sell, I mean, I'm going to hold my Dogecoin. And then you have Dogecoin whales like this. Dogecoin whales like this who just don't know how to profit. Look at this. They bought in at 29 cents today, and then they sold at 29 cents today. But look at this. They really did not make much money at all. Like, look at this. They literally instantly bought in, instantly sold out, made no money. Instantly bought in, instantly sold out, 29 cents. They're really artificially changing the price of Dogecoin. When trades like this happen, we have huge drops. And that's why Dogecoin keeps dropping every day. It's because, look, this is a whale, $27 million. This whale made no money off the trade. This whale just basically is trying to turn down the Dogecoin price. They're really trying to artificially bring down the Dogecoin price by buying in, selling out, buying in, selling out. And that's what they're doing. It's really terrible what they're doing. And we have Dogecoin whales like this. Dogecoin whales who bought way back in the day, spent a lot of money on Dogecoin, and are still holding Dogecoin. So I love to see whales like this. This whale literally turned $700,000 into $29 million. Love seeing stuff like this. Love the success stories with all these different whales. This, like, Dogecoin is just changing a lot of people's lives for the better. Like, look at this whale. This whale also bought 3 days ago. All right, not 3 days ago. This whale bought 3 years ago. I mean, or 4 years if you want to say, 4 or 5, give or take. So yeah, this Dogecoin whale spent $21,000 in 2016, and now that $21,000 is worth $23 million. Everything that's happening with Dogecoin is huge. I love seeing stuff like that. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. just a little news update on Dogecoin and what we're doing and how we follow Bitcoin. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood and Webull. Remember, for a limited time only, Robinhood will be giving you 3 free stocks and Webull will be giving you 4 free stocks. And I'll be back with another video. Peace.